Imagine getting paid just for sharing your thoughts on products and services you use every day. With Survey Junkie, it's that simple. Click on the link in the video description to discover how you can start earning today by taking surveys.
Donald Trump is scheduled to be interviewed by New York probation officials Monday, a required step before his July sentencing in his criminal hush money case, according to 3 people familiar with the plan. The former president will do the interview via a computer video conference from his residence at the Mar-a-Lago Club in Palm Beach, Florida, the people told the Associated Press. They spoke on condition of anonymity because they weren't authorized to disclose the plans publicly. One of Trump's lawyers, Todd Blanche, will be present for the interview. People convicted of crimes in New York usually meet with probation officials without their lawyers, but the judge in Trump's case, Juan Merchan, said in a letter Friday that he would allow Blanche's presence. The usual purpose of a pre-sentencing probation interview is to prepare a report that will tell the judge more about the defendant, and potentially help determine the proper punishment for the crime. Such reports are typically prepared by a probation officer, a social worker, or a psychologist working for the probation department who interviews the defendant and possibly that person's family and friends, as well as people affected by the crime. Present reports include a defendant's personal history, criminal record, and recommendations for sentencing. It will also include information about employment and any obligations to help care for a family member. It is also a chance for a defendant to say why they think they deserve a lighter punishment. A jury convicted Trump of falsifying business records at his own company as part of a broader scheme to buy the silence of people who might have told embarrassing stories about him during the 2016 presidential campaign. One $130,000 payment went to adult film actor Stormy Daniels, who claimed to have had a sexual encounter with Trump, which he denied. Trump, the presumptive Republican presidential nominee, says he is innocent of any crime and that the criminal case was brought to hurt his chances to regain the White House. Following Trump's historic conviction, a New York Times/Siena College post-verdict analysis of nearly 2,000 interviews with voters found that Trump's advantage over Joe Biden narrowed from 3 to 1 point. Trump's campaign spokesperson, Stephen Chung, said in a statement Sunday that the president's Democratic Party allies continue to ramp up their ongoing witch hunts, further abusing and misusing the power of their offices to interfere in the presidential election. President Trump and his legal team are already taking necessary steps to challenge and defeat the lawless Manhattan DA case, he said. Sign up to Trump on Trial. Stay up to date on all of Donald Trump's trials. Guardian staff will send weekly updates each Wednesday, as well as bonus editions on major trial days. After newsletter promotion, Merchan has scheduled Trump's sentencing for July 11th. He has discretion to impose a wide range of punishments, ranging from probation and community service to up to 4 years in prison. In his first rally earlier this week following his conviction, Trump, who is appealing his conviction, issued foreboding threats. Those appellate courts have to step up and straighten things out, or we're not going to have a country any longer, Trump said at a Turning Point Action event in Phoenix, Arizona. Meanwhile, reports have emerged of New York police planning to revoke Trump's license to carry a gun as a result of his conviction. Speaking to CNN anonymously, a New York Police Department official said that it will complete its investigation that will likely lead to revocation of his license.